Hello and warm welcome to you all to Talkie English in this new video. أهلا ومرحبا بكم جميعا متابعي قناة Talkie English في هذا الفيديو الجديد.
All together and all together. What's the difference? All together and all together can be very confusing to some people, especially beginners, because, they are almost written the same and they pronounced and sound the same. So what exactly is the difference between the two? Well, let's start off first by all together. All together. So all together is used when talking about a collection of things or a group of people, basically. Alright? Let me clarify by an example. We went to the party all together. We went to the party all together. That means we all went to the party together as like a collection or as a group of people. Alright? Now, all together, on the other hand, is pretty similar to the word completely or as a whole. Alright? I mean, I don't know how to explain this. I don't have any easy way to explain this, but hopefully it will be clarified by an example. Buying a computer altogether can be pretty expensive, so you better buy it part by part. I repeat, buying a computer altogether can be very expensive, so you better buy it part by part. Altogether, simply or basically, is like a replacement to the word completely. So buying a computer completely, like buying a whole computer as a whole, can be very expensive. So buying it as parts, like part by part, can be a little bit expensive, can be a little bit cheap, I mean. Alright? Yeah, this was our lesson for today, so I hope it was clear enough for you. Support me by hitting that heart and follow button, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. Take care. Salam alaikum.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful and you've got something from it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you like this content, please click subscribe and show us your support by clicking that like button and activating that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. شكرا لمشاهدتكم هذا الفيديو. إن كانت لديكم أي أسئلة رجاء اطرحوها في التعليقات. لا تنسوا إظهار دعمكم لنا باشتراككم في القناة، إعجابكم بالفيديو وتفعيلكم لزر الجرس لتتوصلوا بأحدث الفيديوهات فور رفعها.